Manifesting your dream life with a vision board. Have you ever felt stuck in your life, like your dreams are just out of reach? You're not alone, and it might just be because you're missing a crucial step in turning those dreams into reality. Welcome to this video, where you'll learn how to create a vision board that can help you manifest your dream life. In the next few minutes, you'll discover a powerful tool that can help you clarify your goals, stay motivated, and finally start making progress towards the life you've always wanted. A vision board is a visual representation of your goals and desires, and it's an amazing way to focus your energy and attention on what you really want to achieve. By the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to create your very own vision board and start attracting your dreams into reality. So take a deep breath, get comfortable, and let's dive into this amazing journey of creating your dream life together. Many people struggle to visualize their goals and stay motivated, leading to unfulfilled dreams and aspirations. They get caught up in the daily grind, and their goals and desires seem to fade away into the background. It's easy to get stuck in a rut, feeling like you're not making any progress towards your dreams, and that's exactly why a vision board can be a game changer. When you're not clear about what you want, it's hard to make progress. You might feel like you're just drifting through life without any sense of purpose or direction. A vision board can help you clarify your goals, identify what's truly important to you, and give you a sense of direction and purpose. Without a clear vision, it's easy to get distracted by non-essential things, and before you know it, weeks, months, or even years have gone by, and you're still stuck in the same old patterns. By creating a vision board, you'll have a constant reminder of what you want to achieve, and you'll be more focused on taking action towards your goals. Staying motivated is another huge challenge. When you're working towards a goal, it's easy to lose steam, especially when things get tough. A vision board can help you stay motivated by keeping your goals top of mind and providing a visual reminder of what you're working towards. It's like having a constant cheerleader in your corner, reminding you of your capabilities and pushing you to keep going. A lot of people struggle with negative self-talk and self-doubt, which can be a major obstacle to achieving their goals. A vision board can help you overcome this by providing a positive and empowering visual reminder of your strengths and abilities. It's like having a constant affirmation that you're capable and deserving of achieving your dreams. When you're clear about what you want and you're motivated to take action, amazing things can happen. You'll start to attract opportunities and experiences that align with your goals, and you'll begin to make progress towards the life you've always wanted. So, let's explore what a vision board is, the different types of vision boards, and how they can help clarify your goals and intentions. A vision board is a visual representation of your desires, goals, and intentions. It's a tool that can help you clarify what you want, focus your energy, and attract what you want into your life. There are different types of vision boards, from digital boards to physical boards, and even vision boxes. The type of vision board you choose will depend on your personal preferences and what works best for you. One of the most popular types of vision boards is a physical board. This can be a cork board, a poster board, or even a canvas. You can decorate it with images, words, and other embellishments that represent your goals and desires. The physical act of creating a board can be very therapeutic and meditative, and it can help you connect with your desires on a deeper level. Another type of vision board is a digital board. This can be a Pinterest board, a private Instagram account, or even a digital collage on your phone. Digital boards are great for those who are more tech-savvy or prefer a more flexible and portable vision board. You can also use vision board apps or software to create your digital board. Vision boxes are another type of vision board that's becoming increasingly popular. These are physical boxes where you can place small objects, notes, and other items that represent your goals and desires. Vision boxes are great for those who prefer a more tactile and interactive experience. When creating a vision board, it's essential to focus on what you want rather than what you don't want. This might seem obvious, but it's a common mistake that can sabotage your vision board. Instead of focusing on what's lacking in your life, focus on what you want to achieve, what you want to experience, and what you want to become. Your vision board should be personal and meaningful to you. It should reflect your values, your goals, and your desires. Don't worry about what others think. This is your vision board, and it's all about you and what you want to achieve. Now that we've explored what a vision board is, let's dive into the step-by-step process of creating your vision board, where the magic truly happens and your dreams start to take shape. The first step in creating your vision board is to define your goals and intentions. Take some time to reflect on what you want to achieve, what you want to experience, and what you want to become. Be specific, be bold, and don't hold back. This is your chance to dream big and create the life you've always wanted. Once you have a clear idea of what you want, start gathering materials for your vision board. This can include images, words, magazines, scissors, glue, and any other embellishments that resonate with your goals and desires. The next step is to create your vision board. This can be a fun and therapeutic process, so don't rush it. Take your time and let your creativity flow. Remember to focus on what you want rather than what you don't want, and make sure your vision board is personal and meaningful to you. Once your vision board is complete, place it somewhere where you can see it every day. This could be on your fridge, on a wall in your bedroom, or even on your desk. The key is to make sure it's visible and accessible, so you can refer to it regularly. To wrap up, creating a vision board is a powerful way to clarify your goals, stay motivated, and finally start making progress towards the life you've always wanted. By following these simple steps, you can create a vision board that truly reflects your desires and helps you attract your dreams into reality. Remember, a vision board is not a magic wand that will instantly make your dreams come true. It's a tool that requires effort, dedication, and commitment. But with persistence and patience, you can achieve amazing things and create the life you've always wanted. Don't forget to subscribe and share your vision board journey in the comments below, and check out my other videos for more tips on personal development.